So welcome dear children. In today's lecture we are going to start with practice set 1.2. Today we are going to do the first sum. Before we watch this video, I would request you to go and watch the earlier videos of solved examples and an activity which is given before practice set 1.2. Once you watch those videos, you will find practice set 1.2 very simple. So let's start with this first sum of practice set 1.2. Now we start with the practice set 1.2. Given below are some triangles and the length of line segments. Identify in which figure ray PM is a bisector of triangle PQR. Now we have got three sums where we have to prove whether the given figure ray PM is a bisector. In order to prove the PM to be a bisector, we have to use the angle bisector theorem. Now, what does angle bisector theorem say? That when the bisector, when a line bisects a side, then the sides are in proportion. These two sides. That is QM upon MR is equal to QP upon RP. So now the values are given. So we have to find what should be the ratio. We'll find the ratios first. Which ratio? QM upon MR. If the ray has to be a bisector, then QM upon MR should be equal to QP upon PR. So first what we'll do, we'll find the ratios of each one. That is QM upon MR. What is the ratio we'll find out? How much is QM? QM is 3.5 and MR is 1.5. Okay. Now we'll remove the decimal multiplying by 10. So what will we get? The decimal is gone. 35 upon 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. So the ratio what we got is 7 upon 3. The first ratio. This one we got 7 upon 3. And now we're going to find QP upon PR. QP is to PR. How much is QP? Or PQ is 7. And how much is PR? PR is 3. Okay, so what we have found, that QP upon PR is equal to QM upon MR, which is equal to 7:3. Since sides are in proportional, therefore ray PM is a bisector. Okay, we'll solve it neatly. PQ is 7, PR is 3. PQ is 7, PR is 3, QM is 3.5, MR is 1.5. Then PQ upon PR is, PQ value is 7, PR is 3. So we got the first equation 7 upon 3. The next equation we got QM upon MR. QM is 3.5, MR is 1.5. Now multiplying by 10 and after cancellation we get 7 upon 3. So from 1 and 2 we have got both the ratios are equal. Therefore PQ upon PR is equal to QM upon MR. So the reason why it is a bisector is because by converse of angle bisector theorem, ray PM is a bisector of angle PQR. So you know what is angle bisector? When the angle, you know what is angle bisector theorem? When an angle bisects, a segment bisects an opposite side, then the sides are in proportion to the remaining two sides. So QM upon MR it will be equal to QP upon PR. The next one is RM is 6. The same thing we have to find out whether the side is a bisector. Okay, now we have to find the ratios RM upon MQ, and next one we have to find RP upon PQ. Okay, how much is RM? RM is 6, MQ is 8. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So we got RM upon MQ, we got 3 upon 4. How much is RP? RP is 7, PQ is 10, It's not cancelling. So the ratio is 7 upon 10. 7 is to 10. Therefore, the sides are not in proportion, or this PM is not the bisector. Okay. So RM upon MQ is 6 upon 8. We got it. RM is 6. MQ is 8. RP is 7. PQ is 10. And from first and second, we are comparing the ratios whether these two are equal. If they are equal, then PM will be a bisector. Since RM upon MQ is not equal to RP upon PQ, therefore PM is not the bisector of angle QPR. Now we take the third type, the same type, the third sum. Here we have to find the ratio of RM upon MQ. RM is to MQ with and we have to find RP upon QP. How much is RM? RM is 4. MQ is 3.6. RP is 10. And PQ is 9. Is 9. Okay. Now we'll check the values. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply by 10 above, because denominator has got decimal. 3.6 into 10. Now what you got? You got 40, or 40 in upon 36. Okay. Now we have 4 tens are 40, 4 nines are 36. So first ratio is 10 upon 9. And the second ratio, we will see that that is also 10 upon 9. Since RM is to MQ is equal to RP is to QP, which is equal to 10 upon 9. 10 is to 9. Therefore, PM is a bisector according to the bisector theorem. Okay. So here we have RM is 4, MQ is 3.6. I'm just revising. RP is 10, PQ is 9. RM is 4, MQ is 3.6, RP is 10, and PQ is 9. RM upon MQ is, RM is 4 upon MQ is 3.6. I have multiplied by 10 and removed a decimal. Then we got 40 upon 36. After cancellation, we got 10 upon 9. RP value as it is 10, PQ is 9. Therefore, while comparing 1 with 2, we find that RM upon RM is to MQ is equal to RP is to PQ. Therefore, by converse of angle bisector theorem, PM is a bisector of angle QPR. Next video, we will understand sum number 2 to 6 of practice set 1.2. Thank you, dear children, and God bless you always.